Hello everyone. In this session we are going to study laser and its characteristics. So let us start with the introductory part. Here the word laser, L-A-S-E-R, is an acronym for light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Laser is a device that amplifies or increases the intensity of light and produces highly directional light. It means it simply amplifies the light having less intensity to a light having higher intensity. Now it has some characteristics. These characteristics are important to study to identify the laser light from the ordinary light. There are four such characteristics, and those are coherence, directionality, monochromatic and high intensity. Now let us begin with the first characteristics, that is coherence. Now coherence, when the two or more than two waves has wavelengths in phase in space and time, then they are said to be coherence. In simple words, we can say that two waves are coherent if their wavelength is same. Now next is directionality. Directionality, the width of a laser beam is extremely narrow. Hence a laser beam can travel to long distances without spreading. A beam with narrow width can travel to a long distance without any disturbance. Therefore laser emits light in one direction. This is called directionality of laser light. If the light do not deviate, then it will of course travel in a single path. That is the directionality property. Now monochromatic. Mono means single. Chromatic, chrome means color. In laser, all the emitted photons have the same energy, frequency or wavelengths. The photons having same energy, frequency or wavelength, then they can be said as the monochromatic. Hence the light waves of the laser have single wavelength or color. Therefore laser light covers a very narrow range of frequencies or wavelength. Now next characteristics is intensity. In laser, the light spreads in small region, as we know, the small region of space, and in a small wavelength range. Hence laser has a greater intensity than when compared to the ordinary light. We know that if it is covering a small space, then of course it will have a greater intensity. So these are the properties, these are the four characteristics about the laser from which we can identify a laser light, or we can compare the laser light and an ordinary light. So here is the end of this session. Thank you.